This video, we are going to see how to browse the HDFS file system and also to upload files into it. We are in the dashboard page. Let's go into data and into HDFS. Fire Insights is connected to a Hadoop cluster in this scenario. So over here we can see that the retail folder under Sparkflows, and we can see the files and the subfolders inside it. We can click on any directory and to go inside it. It's also relatively easy to view the first few lines of any file. For example, here it's a clickthrough.csv. We can see that these are the first few lines of the file. Also, if we want to upload a file, we can go here and drag and drop a file that we want to upload in the current folder, and those files will get uploaded onto HDFS. We can also create subdirectories. For example, telco. Let's create a folder called telco. So we were able to create this new folder telco, and we can go inside it and upload more files if we want to. And the other good thing is that all the interactions with HDFS is happening as a logged in user. So all the permissions, access control, and all of them are in place, which makes security pretty seamless. Thank you.